My lovely people, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. Today I am bringing you guys a very delicious recipe of this fish. It's called wild cleaned porgies. So I never ate it before, so this will be the first time to cook this type of fish. So I hope it tastes delicious. So the store claimed that they already cleaned it, but I usually just like to clean my own fish to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna take it off in the wrapper and cut all the bone and clean it my way. All right, see you soon when I finish the cleaning. Lovely people, here we are with our fish after the cleaning. I went ahead and just tried to season really quick. I did put this rice vinegar, about a tablespoonful, because it's only 2 fish and you don't need to go crazy, just to take out the funky smell. You could squeeze in some lemon, use any vinegar that you have on hand. It's just fine. And right here, these are the ingredients that I use: garlic powder, onion powder, lemon and pepper right there, seasoning, and paprika, nutmeg, and I do have ginger. Over here I do have oil. Everything I went and put it in the bowl. So these are all the ingredients inside the bowl, and the reddish is from the paprika. I put some oil. So I did put like a half a teaspoon of each because it's only 2 fish, and season it well. Give it time to rest so it can combine all the seasoning well inside your fish before you starting the frying. Over here I do have my oil ready, so we're gonna start the frying. So I wanted to do 1 fish fried and 1 coated in the flour. I'm gonna grab 1 fish and start it to fry. Okay, here we're putting 1 fish in, and 1 I'm gonna use the flour to fry it, to coat it with the flour. I pour flour on 1 fish, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in to fry. This is the fish, it's finished. This is the first one. This one is the second fish, and this one I'm gonna serve it with fries, and the one on the sides I'm gonna serve it with rice and cassava leaves. There is already a video for cassava leaves in my YouTube channel that you guys can refer yourself in case if you want to make it. And I am making the fries. So this is the fries, and I am done, guys. We are done with the cooking, so it's about time to eat. So please do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video to come. Bye bye. Love you guys, and thank you for being my family, for being a part of my family.